Welcome back. 31st May is celebrated as No Tobacco Day, and to encourage abstinence from all forms of tobacco, an event was organized by an NGO named Global Cancer Concern India in the city.
According to data collected by the Indian Council of Medical Research, at least 50 people die every year in India due to cancer, and annually around 4,40,000 people die of various types of cancers in India. At any given moment, there are 2.6 million cancer patients in our country. Senior General Manager of the NGO Global Cancer Concern India, Vineet Marwa, said that consumption of tobacco products is increasing in third world countries. He also stated that the figures and findings of the ICMR is disturbing.
Today is the World No Tobacco Day. Now, a lot of people know that tobacco is responsible for almost 40% of all the cancer in the country. Tobacco ultimately kills nearly half of its users. So not only cancer, it's also responsible for a lot of heart diseases also. Now, sad part is that while the tobacco consumption is reducing in the developed world, it is increasing in our countries. By our countries, I mean India and also a lot of other third world countries. Right? So the tobacco companies have a lot of interest in this part of the world.
We organize medical health checkup camps free of cost. We create awareness, telling causes, symptoms of the disease. We sponsor the education of such children whose parents are either died or they are still suffering from the disease. We sponsor education of such children. Today we are celebrating No Tobacco Day.
Today is a World No Tobacco Day. So we are spreading awareness among people, so that because the tobacco is the only thing in our country who is concerning 40% cancer in our country. And so making people more and more aware about that and making them to fight with this disease only. So what we are doing today is this slogan writing competition also, so that people come here and write something and at least become little bit aware about that.
Banners, pictorial instructions greeted visitors at Fun Republic, the venue where the event was organized. A slogan writing competition was also organized to encourage participation among the youth. Caps were also distributed with the NGO's mission engraved on it, clear and clean. With camera person Gurinder Singh and Vatan Thakan in Chandigarh, this is Shailya Thushi for Day and Night News.